So, guys, time for the first pack in World Cup mode for myself. Here with Mad Morphy to the left, Ches to the right. First World Cup pack. Legit first pack.
Who you getting?
First pack. I reckon Dybala.
Two sick
I'm gonna go Dybala. I'm gonna go Dybala. Oh my god! No way!
No. You got Dybala.
What the hell? I got it.
I actually do not understand how you've done that.
I'm psychic. This is
how
amazing.
many hundreds of players before the flag even comes out?
There's so many. There is so many.
What stats though?
I do not know. Guys, legit, this is my first pack. Seriously.
That is crazy.
Oh my god.
Who else in there? You got two players though.
Yeah, it's two big players. Here we go.
I'm mad that you called
that. Is insane.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
And Quadrado.
I
can't believe it's that.
My brain actually hurts. It hurts. My brain hurts. I reckon Dybala. The fact that Wolf decides to ask him who you getting, I reckon Dybala.
Who else to get? Faja, Mohamed, Sabali, Dybala, my first one is fantastic. My first one in World Cup mode. That is awesome. That's a lovely kit. Huh. Cool. In terms of in-game stats, I mean, his stats are through the roof again. As you'd imagine, 82. Actually, his finishing isn't that great. 87, 92 ball control though, 90 dribbling. Hope you guys love my first pack in the new World Cup mode. If we hit 10,000 likes in the first hour, I'll upload the next video within the next 2 hours, and then probably may even do 3 videos today, guys. I'm very hyped for this mode. It's amazing. Seriously, very, very fun. Cannot believe I predicted Dybala. Absolutely crazy prediction right there. And honestly, I don't think I've ever predicted a pack. I've never got that lucky predicting a pack. And yeah, we were all in shock when I actually nailed it. Still, hope you guys enjoyed those. Subscribe for more FIFA 18 World Cup content. Hope you guys have a fantastic day.